Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Kaushal Malkan and you're watching TechWhoop. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 simple and easy Facebook tricks that you can change right now in 2 minutes and just make your Facebook browsing much simpler. This is going to be a very short and precise video, so keep watching till the end and know about all of these Facebook settings now. We all know that Facebook shamelessly sells our personal data to advertisers, which is cool I guess in some case for the advertisers, but not for us. Basically, it shows us a lot of ads that is based on whatever we search on Facebook. For example, if you have just searched any random thing, like for example, you were just looking around for a birthday gift for your mom and you search for, let's say, jewelry. So the next ads that you will see will be of jewelry. You just searched it once and all the targeted ads that will be displayed to you would be of jewelry. If you don't believe me, actually try and see it. So in that case, what we can do is we can just turn off the personalized ads that are displayed to us on Facebook. Now that does not mean that ads would be restricted on your Facebook page. Ads would still be there, but it won't be personalized to you based on your search and activity. It would just be general ads that everyone watches. And sometimes you might have even seen some even more highly targeted ads based on your friend's social action. For example, it looks something just like this. Like this person liked this post and it could be an event or a page or an application that they are using, and it is the most targeted and most converted ads. So similarly, when you are also using your Facebook account and you click or like something, some event or page or anything, your activity would also be displayed in your friend's account, as we saw in the screenshot earlier. So now the question is, how do we fix it? Well, it's very simple. All you have to do is just click on these 3 lines at the top, scroll down to the bottom and click on settings and privacy. The next thing you have to do is click on settings. Here scroll down and select add preferences. Here go to add settings. So with this first option, ads based on data from partners, you can directly just turn this off. Click on continue and click on not allowed. So this will just stop showing you personalized ads. That's it. Click on save and you're done. Similarly to the first one, here also you have to click on no and disable the targeted ad so that all the other products which are using the Facebook advertising will also stop showing you targeted ads. Now this is the final one which I spoke to you about, that what all people can see your social actions. So here you can choose either all your friends that can see it, or you can choose on no one. If you don't want other people to know which events or Facebook pages that you like, just click on no one and nobody will ever know about this. And not just Facebook, even Google is guilty of doing it. So if you want to know how to fix this personalized ads issue on your Google search engine also, then I've made a really detailed video which you can check out over here, and then you will know exactly how to fix this issue. This trick actually blew me away when I found out about it. Did you know that just like Google, even Facebook keeps a track of our location history? Facebook knows exactly at what time and at what date what we were doing and where we were. It was highly surprising to me, as I was not at all expecting that Facebook keeps a track of my location 24/7. Now if you guys already knew about this, then please let me know in the comments, because I surely did not know about this at all. But anyway, so how do we actually stop Facebook from tracking our location all the time? Well, it's highly simple. All you have to do is just open up your Facebook app and go to settings and scroll down to the privacy section and click on location. Over here, if you tap on location history, then you can view your live location and you can just see from here your entire location history. Like yesterday I didn't do much, so like it just showed me the 2-3 places where I was. And similarly to it, you can actually, if you click on these 3 dots, you can see the calendar where you can see your location from any random date. So if I click on 1st September 2019 and click on OK, it basically shows me where I was and what I was doing. Now this is a highly breach of privacy, so it's very simple to turn this off. Just go back and click on this button of location history. It will turn it off. Just go back one more time and click on location access also, and here just disable the location services. That's all you have to do. Now Facebook will not track your location ever. How many times has it happened to you that you try to upload your video or photo in full HD, but the quality after it gets uploaded on Facebook is somewhat like this? Well, this is because Facebook has a built-in compressor which actually reduces the file size of your videos or your image so that more data can be stored on their servers. Because we all know that people upload a lot of data every day, and if Facebook keeps the original media file from what they upload, then their servers would just be over flooded. So therefore they use this compressor to reduce the file size, but that in turn also reduces the quality of which we are expecting our images and videos to be in. So if you want to know how to fix this, it's highly simple. All you have to do is scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Click on settings, go to the bottom of the page and click on media and contacts. So over here you can see the options upload photos in HD and upload videos on HD. Just turn these options on, and from now on all the photos and videos that you upload would be in crisp, crystal clear quality. This is a very quick and simple tip, but I'm actually surprised that a lot of people don't know about this. Like, how many times has it happened to you that you open your timeline and instead of seeing your own feed and your own photos, you are only flooded with all the tags that you are given. Like, you have been tagged by this person on this photo, and like out of 10 photos, there are 9 photos in which you are tagged in other photos instead of your own photos. This is a little bit frustrating to see on your profile every day. So there is a quick fix to this. All you have to do is just open up your settings, go to settings, scroll down to the privacy section and click on timeline and tagging. Now here at the bottom part you can see the review section. In the last line it's written that you can review posts that you are tagged in before they appear on your timeline. That is what we want. So just click on that and just turn on the timeline review option. And that's all you have to do. From now on, all the posts would actually be reviewed by you before they actually appear on your timeline. Similarly, with the option above it, you can actually even review if other people want to be tagged in your photos. So if they try to tag themselves in your photos, then you would actually have to approve it before they can do that. So you can also turn this on by just clicking on tag review. Okay, imagine with me. Imagine that your teacher wants to add you on your Facebook. Or if you're a working professional, your boss wants to add you on your Facebook. Now there is a dilemma over here, because now that they will see everything that's on your timeline, they will know how you are and how memes that you share. Or if you share a lot of your personal information or share about your personal and your love life on your Facebook, it would not look professional with him. Now you cannot just not accept the friend request because that would look very rude, or you can't even block them because they would obviously know about that. I'll explain this with a Venn diagram. So here are the people whom you want to show about your life, and here are the people whom you don't want to show about your life. So the people you want to show about your life, they're already in your Facebook, so you don't need to do anything about them. And people whom you don't want to, you can just block or unfriend them. But what about this gray area over here? This is where your teachers and your bosses are. So you want to add them in your friends list, but you don't want them to know about your personal life. So here, restricted list is the game which you're going to play. So basically what a restricted list does is, it lets them stay friends with you on Facebook, but it does not show them any of the posts in which the privacy settings you have kept as friends. So if you want to show any post to them, then you can change the privacy settings of your post to public. But in case if you keep it friends, then it would only be visible to your friends and not the people who are in your restricted list. Quite simple, right? So here the first thing that you have to do is just open up your friend's profile. So just click on the search button and type in your friend's name. And once you find out their profile, just open it. And here, as you can see, there is a button called friends. Just click on it and click on the option which says edit friend list. And if you notice at the bottom, there is a list called restricted. Just tap on it and it will give you a blue tick at the side. And that's all you had to do. They are now added in your restricted list. Now smash that like button if you found this tip helpful, because I know that I definitely saved you from a lot of awkward conversations with your seniors and all the other people whom you want to stay professional with. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you didn't like this video, then hit that thumbs down button. And if you actually liked it, you know what to do. So thank you for watching, guys. My name is Kaushal. Peace out.